revising Isro 2017 December session paper. So the set is D. Question number is 17. You can check the paper. The link is given in the description box. So in this question they wanted to know what is the thumb rule between feed and nose radius in rough turning operation. Basically, this question is an industrial based question. Basically in industry, F is equals to 0.5 R or F is equals to 2 by 3 times of R is taken for rough turning operation. So if you see the options, F is equals to 0.5 R is there in one of the options. So the option B is the correct in this situation. But I like to give some additional information that may be required in your coming exams, like when they are saying about this F and R. So I like to say about the roughness. This is peak to valley, right? Peak to valley height. It is denoted by RT. Its value is given as F upon tan of CS plus hot of CE. Also, this value, if you want to relate with nose radius, it will be F square upon 8 times R, where F is the feed. Let me write it. F is the feed. CS is the side cutting edge angle. CE is called end cutting edge angle. Here R is called nose radius. Basically, this value will be in mm or anything. So these two are the formula for turning in case of turning. And one more thing you can remember, RA, that is average roughness. Average roughness is equals to RT divided by 4. This is for turning operation. There is one more case in milling operation also. In milling, this RT is given by F square upon 4D N square Z square. This is for milling operation. Okay, where F is the feed, D is the diameter of the cutter. N is the RPM with which the cutter is moving. Z is the number of teeth. On cutter. So These are some of the few formulas which you have to remember. Maybe they may be asked in coming exams. So if you have any doubt regarding any of this formula or any part, please mention us in the comment box. We are free to reply to your every queries. Thank you, friends.